Welcome to the Ticket Setup series. In today's session, we're going to continue with the install of Tikit, but we're going to install Tikit Virtual Agent, which is the end user app that we have in Teams for Tikit. Now, as mentioned previously, Tikit is a omni-channel solution, so it works in Teams, it works in web, and it works in email. And the agent will work in Teams, but also work in the Tikit app, where end users will work in Tikit Virtual Agent. So to install Tikit Virtual Agent, what we'll do here, at least in the manual way, is Diego, who just installed Tikit, will go over to the apps area and search for Tikit here, and he'll add Tikit Virtual Agent. And when he does, it'll be added as an app on the menu. I'll go ahead and pin that, and it'll give him access to Tikit Virtual Agent now. I also have an end user here, Adele, that I'm going to install Tikit Virtual Agent for as well. So we can have some back and forth between an agent and an end user. And just like Diego did, I'll go over to the apps area, I'll search for Tikit, and I'll add Tikit Virtual Agent. Now, all customers that use Tikit as a service desk wouldn't have their end users manually install Tikit Virtual Agent. They would actually use M365 Admin Center to not only push Tikit Virtual Agent to all the end users' Teams experiences, but they'd also use M365 Admin Center to brand Tikit. So the name, the icon, all the things you see here, the accent colors can all be changed to be completely branded. And most customers rename it to, at a minimum, from Tikit Virtual Agent to help or support or something that's business aligned. But you can control the entire experience through the M365 Admin Center. We're going to pause today's session and we'll pick back up on creating our first ticket in Tikit and move through the rest of the setup experience within Teams. Thanks.